So we are back to working on the edit station here. We aren't going to be working on this part of the edit station because it's pretty much wrapped up. We do want to add a couple details, but that's coming at a later time. We don't know when, but it's not that we don't like this thing. It's just we want to do something different, so we're going to get rid of it right about now. Whoa, guys, I am telling you, that is super convenient. I mean, he's over here holding it. It's just awesome. Anyway, what we have to do is we got to work with this hard drive right here. We have to build a case for him because, as you guys know, we make a lot of videos, so we have to store all these files, and we want to make a cool system for how we store the hard drives as part of the edit station. Those Dados came out really nice, as you guys can see right there, but we gotta do something special because, as you guys know, I mean, you probably have already guessed it, inlays.
Inlays, man. So what we're gonna be doing is actually taking these two maple pieces out and putting a groove inside down the middle, and basically it's gonna be Paduk, and it's gonna look pretty insane, so let's get right at it.
So we have our inlay pieces right here, and we made those cuts. We're gonna actually show how we did it. So as you guys will see right here, you'll notice that groove that we cut out on the router. It's a really tiny blade.
It's like a 3/32 bit for the router. It's a straight bit. So pretty much what I did is I did one pass, and I flipped it around, did another pass to make sure it's perfectly in the center of this board. And then I made a Paduk piece right here, the same thickness, and it slides right in just like so. And we're gonna take them and glue them together.
So before us here, we have all the essential tools for creating an inlay. We have the clamps, we have the Japanese handsaw. We already used Ricky, but you know, he's coming in handy right now because he's holding up the Japanese handsaw to make this look really cool, because it just looks nice. Anyway, what we have to do is we gotta start cutting out these inlays right here, clean these pieces all up, make them look nice. So,
man, we gotta start chopping!
So the inlays have been completed. They look really, really nice. As you guys can see, we started using the Japanese handsaw to take off the majority of it, like these parts, but then to clean it all up, we used the table saw.
Man, it's a lot easier just using a table saw, but it is also very fun using a Japanese handsaw. So what we're gonna be doing is actually taking those pieces and gluing the entire box together. We gotta grab some clamps, and it's gonna be a good time.
So we just got it out of the clamps here. It turned out really, really nice. What we have to do is we got to go ahead and sand off some of that excess glue right there. So I think we're going to be using what grit sandpaper to do that?
We're going to start with 120 grit, and then we're going to keep going up from there, and then
should be good to go, right?
should be pretty good to go. I think I'm going to clean up with some chisels too.
Sanding went a long way. As you guys can see right here, it's all cleaned up, looking perfect. We also used that chisel to take away any major glue that was left over, but man, it's awesome.
Man, dude, it's totally epic. And what we're gonna be doing is some yellow heart inlays all the way around this thing. There's gonna be 2 stripes. It's gonna be totally crazy. So hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button, and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.